Guys, my name is Anas and I am going to share about some things. Some people are sleeping in the night and some people are hardworking in the night. So, which people hardworking in the night? It is this is good people, and and some people are sleeping in the night. It is not good people because 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 when you will hard work in the night, when you will hard work in the night, after that you will know, after that you know a lot of things. Yeah, hard work, you should hard work anytime, because when you do hard work in the work, so you can do your work easily. Yeah, you can do your work easily. And when you went to anywhere, after that you will see some people are selling some things, and some people are selling new things. So you can see people are hardworking in this world, but you say my life is not good. You should not say it. You should not say anyone these things, because if you will tell about, these negative things, so any people will understand. He will say you crazy. So you should not say it these things, because you do not know about any successful people. When he will be hard working in your life, so he will he will come a lot of trouble, but he did not give up. Yeah, uh, if you have a lot of trouble, but you should not give up, because when you will try again and again, so the problem will remove automatically. Yeah, you should try again and again. And suppose you are working new, and you are not understanding this work. So first of all, you have to understand this work, because if you will not understand this work, so you cannot eat this work. Yeah, you have to understand this work firstly. After that you can start. You have seen a lot of people. Yeah, you have seen a lot of actors. Uh, how 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 he can how he can speak front of all people confidently, because they practiced a lot. That's why he is speaking. That's why he is speaking front of all people without hesitation. So you can speak front of all people without hesitations. So you have to speak alone, and you have to read a lot, because when you will read a lot, so the words will come automatically in your mind. Yeah, when you will read, and your mouth will open automatically. Open automatically. Yeah, when your mouth will open automatically, so you can speak English fluent. Yeah, you can speak front of all people. Yeah, when you will remove your hesitations, so you can speak English easily. Yeah, um, s- mm, when you speak front of all people, what happen what happen you first of all, when you speak front of all people, so you shy. You should not shy. You should not shy front of all people. Yeah, you can speak, because when you will speak with confidence front of all people, so so people will think about you. People will think about you. He is speaking good. Yeah, you should not stop in this world. Every person is hardworking in this world. We can not say it these things. Some people are working hard, and some people are not working hard in this world. Yeah, but you should hard work. You should your hard work. Yeah, you cannot make your excuse, because when you will make your excuse, so you do not know any work. Yeah, so you have to remove this habit. Yeah, consistency, it is very important thing. Consistency, it is very important thing. Yeah, if you will work with consistency, if you will work with consistency, so you will improve quickly your you will improve quickly things, a lot of things. Yeah, but you can learn from, you can learn by any people. Yeah, uh, he is doing in your life. Yeah, you can ask any people, what are you doing in your life. Yeah, what are you doing in your life. um, and what do you do in the morning, and what do you do in the evening, what do you do in the night. You can ask a lot of questions, because when you will ask a lot of question to him, so you will know a lot of things. Yeah, okay, bye.